Hello guys and welcome to Manual Education. So roughly 80 days remaining for your CAT examinations for the year 2022. So we have already entered into the month of September. So you only have now September and October in your hand, because in the month of November you're gonna have your CAT examination. So you have to prepare really well, because CAT, as we all know, is one of the most toughest examination of India. Many aspirants appear for these examinations, but only few manage to get it clear in the very first attempt. So guys, you have to make sure that you have to prepare well, you have to score good, so that you end up with top B schools in the market. So if you haven't started off your preparation, stay tuned with me, because we're going to look at some of the best study materials through which you can manage to score good and get a seat in any of the top B schools. But before we move on, if you're planning to write the examination in the year 2023 or 2024, we have launched the batches where you get live classes and classroom session, you get books and ebooks, shortcut tips and tricks, doubt classes, recorded videos, topic wise test, full length and sectional mock test. You will be added to a WhatsApp group, you get 10,000 plus questions to solve, you get a proper mentorship, and as per the college selection criteria, you will also be guided for the GED, VAT and PI. So you can always target for the CAT examination, MBA CAT, CMAT, TEST, SNAP, ZET, IFT and various other MBA examinations. If you're Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can always visit the center Dadar, Borivali and Vasai. If you're based outside Mumbai looking for live classes and online session, you can contact a number at 8828581455, or else you can visit the official website www.manualedu.com for more information. Now let me take you straight to the official website of Manual Education and guide you how you can get the self-study materials for your preparation. Alright, so this is the official website, manualedu.com. Click on buy online, click on MBA entrance, scroll down. So you get 4 different tabs for your self-study preparation. The first one is the full course. Click on show packages, scroll down a bit. So the first program is for your CAT examination. Click on view details. So you get 519 video lectures and 105 handouts. Click on syllabus. The whole syllabus is covered under this. So you have to watch the recorded videos and practice. If you want to prepare through only books, go back, click on books, study materials, click on show packages, scroll down. So you get various kind of books over here. You can check out for the ebooks, for the quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English, as well as the general studies. If you think you are weak in a particular section and you want to work on it, so click on sectional course and click on show package. And if you think you are weak in cons and you want to work on it, so here is the sectional course for quantitative aptitudes. Same way you get English verbal ability, logical reasoning. Scroll down further, you get DIDS and DC. And if you're preparing for the year 2023, again you get quantitative aptitude, DIDS, DC, English verbal ability. So choose any of the particular package as per your convenience you think you want to work on and you're weak in, and start with your preparation. And if you haven't started off with the preparation, so what are you all waiting for? Start with your first mock test, because mock test is a must if you are to score good and get a seat in any of the top B schools. So click on mock test, show packages. So if you're preparing for CAT examination specifically, so the first one is for you. Click on view details, you get 152 mock tests over here. Start with your first mock test, because it will give you a proper idea as to how to start with your preparation and how to move forward accordingly. So guys, always make sure that you have to beat the competition while staying in the competition, because CAT examination is one of the most toughest examination you'll ever come across. So if once again, if you're Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can always visit the center Borivali, Vasai as well as Dadar. If you're based outside Mumbai looking for live class and online session, you can contact our number at 8828581455. As usual, do follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for regular exam updates and notification. Till then, take care and prepare well.